Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arco and myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss a very basic operation which is searching. And today I will discuss linear search in Java through BlueJ IDE. What is linear search? Now when we have a list of elements within an array and we find out a particular element is present or not, and just searching from very beginning, means starting from the 0th index and go up to its size -1, and every time we check the element is present or not. In that case, it's not mandatory the array elements should be sorted. Okay, the array elements may be sorted, may not, but we have no mandatory rule that the elements should be sorted. Okay, so today I will elaborately discuss linear search through Java coding in BlueJ IDE. Okay. So friends, I am just in BlueJ IDE and today I will discuss another problem in Java. Not only in Java, actually today I will discuss one of the basic operation which is searching. Okay, and I do this problem through Java in BlueJ IDE. Okay, now when we talk about the searching, what does mean? Searching means, suppose within a list of element is there and we find out a particular element is present or not within that particular list of element. Okay, suppose we take an array and this array contain lots of elements, suppose 10 or 15 elements is there, and we find out one of the element is present or not, and this process is known as searching. Means we search the element which is present within that array or not. Okay, and we solve this problem through Java coding and just within the BlueJ IDE. Okay, and this searching is actually done in two different ways. One is linear search, another is binary search. And today's video I will discuss linear search, and in my next upcoming video I will discuss about the binary search. Okay, so what is linear search? Now when we take a list of element which is present within an array and we just search from very beginning, because we know when the array is concerned, the array index start from 0 and it go up to size -1. What does mean size -1? Suppose the array contain 10 elements, then it go up to 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? And when each and every time the element is searched from 0 index, then 1, then 2, and up to 9 for 10 elements is concerned within a array which is contained. Now what happens if the particular element which is I am searching is present within that array, then we can say we find out the element, right? But if we don't find out that element when we searching linearly, means from starting from 0th index of the array and go up to size -1, and we don't find out, then we can say the element is not present within that array. Okay, so at first we create a class. So suppose we put the class name linear underscore search. Okay, because according to linear search is concerned, and this is your class file, and we just open the editor and we just remove some part of that, and we just write at first our public static void main and send as argument string args, means we send string array. Okay, and now within that particular main function or main method we write our code. Okay, so here we take an array, and suppose we take the array name is x and put some value within that, suppose 12, 45, 10, 89, 25, 100, 78, 102, 90, and suppose 33. Okay, so these are the list of element whatever we are just put within that array. And suppose we want to search this element, means 10. So in that case we take t equal to 10, right? Means we want this 10, this element is present within that array X or not. Okay, and we take another data type is a boolean, and the variable name is flag, and set its value as false. Okay, and now after what happened, now we just use here for loop, because we just go from 12 and end up to 33, and every time it will search present or not. Okay, so in that case we use a for loop, and here we just write int I equal to 0, and just write I less than, and how much it will go up to the size minus 1. So in that case we write x dot length. Okay, why? Because we know the array is actually a object within the Java, and it has some variable, system defined variable, which is length, which store how many elements the particular array has. So according to this array is concerned, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 elements is there. So x dot length return 10. So I less than 10, so it go up to 9, right? And then I plus plus. Okay, now here we just check for our particular coding is concerned for linear search. So at first we write if, right, x within third bracket I equal t, means t is our searching element, so it just search. And if it's equal, means if find out particular index, the 10 according to this particular coding is concerned, or this problem is concerned, if it is find out particular index value is equal 10, because t is 10, then what happens? Then we just write system dot out dot println element is present in the array. Okay, and after we change the flag value, means we already find out, sorry, it will be flag value. So that's why we just put the change the value flag from false to true. Okay, and if you find out the element, no need to go for the another iteration, means don't need to going on the loop. So in that case we just write break, means if you find out the element within the array, then just terminate from that loop. So that's why you are using this break. Okay, and after this is the end of your if, this is your end of the for, and after we just write here if, means if we don't find out the element, so then we just write flag equal false, right? So in that case what we write, just write system dot out dot println element is not present in the array. Clear? So this is the simple program where we find out a particular element is present within that array or not using linear search. So you just compile it and close it. This is our class file. Just run void main and just okay, and just see element is present in the array. Why? Because we find out the element 10 is present in the 0 1 2, means 2 index, it's present, means third element. So that's why it's just put the message within the console element is present in the array. Now we change some value for the searching is concerned. Suppose we put the value, suppose 99, which is not present within that array list, means it's not a array element, right? Again compile, close it, should put the message within the console not present. Yes, element is not present in the array. So this is the process, or this is the operation through which we can find out a element is present within that array or not using linear search. Means when we find out any element, this is known as the searching procedure, and the linear means it should start from very beginning and go up to the last if it's not present. If we find out any part, first, middle or the last, so it should go up to that, and after it get the value or when it find out the element, then it just terminate from there. One thing should remember, when we talk about this linear search, we don't need the array element in ordered, means it not be sorted, may be sorted, may not be sorted, doesn't matter. Means if the elements are sorted, the problem is same, means the process whatever I'm written or whatever I'm coded here is the same. If it is not sorted, then the same procedure is there. Means it's not mandatory the elements present within that array in case of linear search should be sorted or not. Means it may be sorted, it may not be sorted. Means it not compulsory should be sorted, right? So I hope you have understood today's problem, and today's problem is very simple: how to do the operation of linear search in Java. Means how to find out an element is present within that array or not using linear search operation. Okay, if you like this video, please press the like button. If you want to share the video, you can share it. If still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel. Okay,